Hi everyone, it's Sam here, and today I'm launching my brand new Christmas collection, which is called It's Only a Puppet. So you've got 6 festive puppets and you can use these on many different card styles. So I'm going to show you just the basic 6x6 here, but this is Santa Claus or Father Christmas, and he is making a snow angel. How cute is that? You can see the embossing folder there with all that lovely detail. So this is one of the puppets. So like I said, there are 6. You also get word dies, there are stamps, there's a paper pad, and what do I think there's something else? I'm going to show you it all in a moment. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you all of the samples that I've made and the full collection in more detail. I will be over on the Craft Stash Facebook page in a few hours doing a live demo for about an hour, hour and a half. So you'll be able to interact, ask questions, and you'll be able to see the, everything being made. I've also got lots of tutorials already filmed. I'll be showing you how to put your puppets together, how to make some of the different cards that I'm sharing. You can also make really cute little puppets like this. I used to love making these when I was younger. These look nice just in a gift bag, just like popping out the top, but they're also nice decorating around the home at Christmas. You put them in your plant pots and stuff, they look really sweet. So in the description box below this video, you will find the links that will take you directly to all of this range. And you'll also find a link there to the live that I'll be doing later on today. There are some really good bundle offers, other deals with this collection, and also giveaways. So if you would like to try and get your hands on some of this stuff, then be sure to watch that Facebook Live. But let's flip the camera around now and I can show you everything in more detail. Okay, so this is all the new collection here. So first of all, you have your 6 puppets. So you've got these sets here. Now they look small, but there's a heck of a lot of dies inside, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. But here's your fairy and your snowman. Here's your elf and your gingerbread. And then here's Santa and Rudolph. And you'll see we've kind of grouped them. So you've got Santa on the left and then you've got Rudolph on the right. But I've also got some boards to show you in a moment. And when I upload the video, because I've already filmed the video showing you how to make each puppet, it's really easy for you to be able to see and tell which one's which. So there are your 3 puppets, well 6 puppets, but 3 sets. You then get these sentiments here. I wanted something that was quite small. So if you did want to make, for example, the one I showed you just briefly then, you can see here you've got the little ho ho ho, which just goes at the bottom there. And it just allows, your puppet to be able to move, and then you can, write your message inside. So they are smaller ones, but they also coordinate with the stamps that are here, and you'll see again with the samples how I've mixed and matched those. So you get Merry Christmas, but that's 2 separate words. You've got Angel, Santa's, Ho Ho Ho, Seasons, Festive, and Wishes. And then this is your main mechanism die set. So this is the Snow Angel card-based mechanism die set. So you get 3 dies here. They make 2 different style cards. So you have your main one here, which has the holes for the puppet and the slot, and this is your pull tab. This one here is what you will then emboss with the embossing folder, and that will create the basic style like this. I say basic, but it's really lovely. So that's what you do with the main plate. But then also if you use the main plate and then this one, with this one it will die cut the frame, but you'll also have the negative space, and you can create shaker cards and some really lovely effects with that. So that's the main dies, and then this is the embossing folder. So that's the image of it there. Now this one looks really nice actually on its own as well. If you want a really nice simple clean Christmas card, this with then angel kisses through the middle is really sweet with a nice little bow or something. So that's that one. And then these are the stamps. I love these stamps. They are nice and big. I also wanted this collection to be able to fit into your other Christmas collections, from all other brands. So here you've got Festive, you've got Christmas, Gingerbread, Merry, Celebrate, Angel, Kisses, Rudolph's, Jolly, Here, Mistletoe, Presents, Cheer, Wishes, Sleigh, Greetings. Then you've got And Merry Christmas. The and you can also cut, and then you can use that to make up other words as well. So there's a lot with this, and I thought for anybody that likes to do their scrapbook layouts, these are really nice fonts for that. And again, I've got a really nice card idea for the future using a lot of these stamps all together, and I'll be sharing that one. I've also then just popped them on my magnetic sheets. You can see here, I like to lay them out, try not to get the glare there, lay them out so that you look like it. If someone picked that up who didn't know anything about crafting, they would know that that's a snowman, and that way you've got all your pieces. But I've got those 2, and then the elf and the gingerbread man, and then there's Father Christmas and Rudolph. And then this is the paper pad. So I've gone quite traditional with the colours. I didn't want a paper pad that was going to take away from the puppets. They literally are background papers, and I think these are going to work with other Christmas papers that you might have as well, and it's really easy to match up your card stock. So you get the 8x8 paper pad for each of 6 designs, 180 GSM. There's 24 sheets, so you get this lovely blue design here. Then you've got this one here. Then you've got the white and red. I really like this one. You got this one here, and then you finish with this one here. And I put together some boards. I just thought it was nice for people to be able to see exactly how they look and all the detail. I'm going to take photos of these and pop them onto my blog. But you can see you get the dies to do everything. The tongue, the nose, the pupils, eyebrows, little cheeks. So much detail in these. So that's Santa and Rudolph. Then you've got the elf and the gingerbread man with his little bell. And again, the gingerbread man. The gingerbread man's the quickest to do. And then you have your fairy and snowman. The fairy cracks me up because the slightest movement of her eyes and she looks really startled, and I was just chuckling to myself as I was making these. But I love her little ballet slippers. They're so cute. And you've got your snowman there. Because of course a snowman wants to make snow angels in the snow. So like I said, I had lots of fun putting all this together. So let me show you the sample. So this was the first one that I showed you, and I'll just hold it up a bit closer so you can see the detail here. This was using just some white, vintage white, it was, Nuvo drops. But rather than doing the little dots that we usually do, I just spread it all over, and then I've stuck some glitter on these parts here. Then we have this one here, which is the elf. This is an easel card, and it's using the frame. So you can see that was just using the square plate with the embossing folder. This one is using just the frame, and you can see how he works. I've also combined my sentiment stamp set from last year, so I've taken some elements from there as well, and it says Santa's presents, and that's mixing the die and the stamp set there, and that's an easel card. Really, really sweet. Then I've made this large stepper card, so you can see how this one looks here. Again, stands up really nicely. You can see I've added those again, little extras there from that other stamp set, and then the Merry Christmas stamp at the bottom there. And see what I mean with the papers? They just work really well, but they just don't take away from that main thing. You're still drawn straight to the puppet. And then I've made this center panel card using the negative space, so just showing you how you can use all parts of this. And you've got Rudolph's here, really nice, and that one just stands up like so. And then there's another Rudolph Easel. Quite simple, this one. I had to make lots of samples for the show. You can see then I've put some glossy accents on his nose. Then you've got the little angel here. I think she's adorable though. She's so sweet. Again, I've just kept it as a top fold 6x6, and then I've used the Merry Christmas just along the bottom there. And I even put some tulle on her skirt there, and you can see how she works. You double up her skirt as well. Again, I show you that when you make the puppet. She's so delicate. I just think she looks so sweet. Then I've made this shaker easel card with all these little snowballs inside, and it says Christmas wishes. Again, you can see how he works there. So it's just another style that you can make. Then you can see the snowman here. Again, that's just the top fold with the Merry Christmas along the bottom. And then we have the gingerbread man. It says gingerbread kisses. Again, you can see the style that I've made there. And we've still got some more. So I've made this double version. So this is a C6 size. This is 6x8. So you can get the envelopes to fit these. I'll just pop it on this side. So it says ho, 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 and a Merry Christmas. And you can see there, they both work. So that was using it in a different way. This one got a bit squashed when I was traveling. His arm seems to, I thought I'd fixed it, but he's just going to have to be a display one, I think, this one. But they work really well together as well, so it's another idea. Then I've made these tent style cards here, so just a different card shape. So you've got all of the puppet at the top, and then I've got gingerbread wishes at the bottom here. Kept the gingerbread really more traditional with just the white icing. Just showing you another way to do that. I've just finished it off with the ribbon bow there. And then this one, really pretty, festive Christmas wishes, lovely bow, and then again the angel. And you can see again I've doubled up her skirt. You need to double it up so she covers the mechanism below, but it also adds to the detail there as well. Got a lovely little crown. You can see how that one works. Got photos of all of this ready to go, and they'll all be going up onto my Facebook page. And then again, some of these have got a little bit tatty from traveling, but this one is a 6x6 gatefold with the drop down piece there. Got a little stray snowball there, but you can see again that shaker card, and then this one stands up like so. Festive wishes. Love the red glitter card there as well. And we've got another angel here. This one's an easel card. That pretty bow. It says Angel Kisses. Again, you can see all of the snowballs there. And then the elf. Merry Christmas, and I've popped glossy accents over the top of that one there. Again, see how that works. With this one here, it was red legs that I die cut, but then I used my gel pen to create the stripes in his tights. So you can still add more to them, and obviously you don't have to do the traditional colours that I've used. You can use anything you want. And then lastly, here are the rest of those stick puppets. This was an afterthought when I was designing it, and when I received it and I was making all the samples, I hadn't thought about this. And then I've got my puppets hanging up here in my craft room, which is kind of what inspired me to do this. And I thought to myself, I wonder if these would work on the sticks. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. The fairy, she's just too delicate. Her arms, they don't really work with this, but I'm going to pop these in my plant pots and in a couple of gift bags for some friends and stuff, because I know they're going to enjoy them as well. So that's my It's Only a Puppet Christmas collection. I do hope you like this one. I've put my heart and soul into this. I just want other people to enjoy it as much as I have. So like I said at the beginning, all of the product links will be shared in the description box below, along with the link to the Craft Stash Live. So if you're free later on today and you'd like to watch me crafting and interact, ask me questions, things like that, and see me using this collection, then I will be live there later on today. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back again very soon with more fun tutorials using this product.